Hello everyone, welcome back to Charminliti channel. And today let's join me enjoying a silk scarf bandana, and I share some interesting facts I know about this type of scarf. Okay, let's get started. To begin, let's launch the Adobe Fresco app. Choose square size. Select the image icon and click on photo to choose a background image. Afterward, proceed to select a reference image. Adjust the size of the image that needed. Open the Layer Properties panel and locate the Layer Opacity settings. Adjust the slider to a value of 50. Click on Light Brushes and then select the Oil option. Next, choose the Oil Pen Flat Brush. Choose the color white to use as the border color. Adjust the brush size to your desired scale. Create the new layer. It's time to begin replicating the design based on the reference image. A bandana is a type of large, usually colorful kerchief originating from the Indian subcontinent, often worn on the head or around the neck portion. Bandanas are frequently printed in a bustly pattern and are most often used to hold hair back, either as a fashionable head accessories or for practical purposes. It is also used to tie around the neck to prevent sunburn and around the mouth and nose to protect from the dirt inhalation or to hide the identity of its wearer. Adjust the sharpness of the reference image in the layer opacity section. Move the reference image outside. Create the new layer. Navigate to Leaf Brushes, then proceed to select the Oil Pen Detail brush. Modify the brush size according to your preference. Use the Color Picker tool to select the desired color from the reference image. Bandanas are typically made from cotton or cotton blends, which provide comfort and breathability. They often feature intricate patterns, such as paisley, camouflage, floral, or geometric designs. The vibrant colors and patterns make bandanas visually appealing and popular fashion accessories. Bandanas offer a versatile styling option. They can be worn as headbands, neck scarf, wristband, or even tied around bags or at a belt. Bandanas can add a pop of color, personality, or a retro touch to any outfit. They are popular among various subcultures and fashion enthusiasts for their ability to make a style statement. Beyond fashion, bandanas serve practical purposes. They can be used as face masks, hair accessory to keep hair in place, sweatband for sport or exercise, and a protective layer during outdoor activities. Okay, let's draw some pattern resembling the leaves of a pine tree on the bandana. Draw an inverted triangle as the base for the leaf. Repeat this process, drawing additional inverted triangle below the previous ones, overlapping them slightly and aligning the bases with the top point of the triangle above. After that, we can duplicate the layer to avoid having to redraw the bottom multiple times. Move the duplicated layer slightly below the original layer, aligning the triangle to create a seamless continuation of the fishbone pattern. After that, use the eraser tool to remove any excess parts outside the original outline shape. Merge the layers together. Repeat the process of duplicating the layer and aligning it until you have filled the desired area on the bandana with the fishbone pattern. Let's continue by drawing a crescent moon pattern. Start with a small curved line, then draw a larger curved line outside of it to form the shape of crescent moon, filling the space inside with a solid color. To save time and effort, you can duplicate the crescent moon layer, eliminating the need to redraw it repeatedly, and create a seamless bottom by positioning the duplicated layer towards the desired area. And then merge all the crescent moon together. Okay, now let's proceed by filling in the remaining parts with colors. Bandanas have often been used as a symbol of identity or solidarity. They can represent affiliation with specific groups, causes, or social movements. Bandanas in different colors can convey messages or support or indicate membership in a particular community. Bandanas have transcended borders and cultures, finding their place in various countries and regions. They have been adapted and incorporated into different cultural practices and fashion styles worldwide. In this part, we will not follow the exact design in the template. Instead, we will draw the clothing based on our preferences. As I believe wearing a turtleneck sweater in the summer might be a bit hot, I will have my girl wear a two-strap tube top. You are free to unleash your creativity and design this part according to your own preferences. Now let's draw the bandanas in a different style, which is worn by tying it around the neck. Continue the same process. We also begin by selecting the reference image. Adjust the size of the image that needed. Open the Layer Properties panel and locate the Layer Opacity settings. Adjust the slider to a value of 50. And then select the oil option. Next, choose the oil paint flat brush. Adjust the brush size. We also choose white color to create the outline. Let's begin the process of coloring. Merge the recently drawn layer together. And we have successfully completed. If you also create beautiful drawings, don't forget to share them with me by commenting below. Remember to like and subscribe to the Charminliti channel and stay tuned for the next video.